Sa mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Marie Isidro Casado po ang ating devotion ngayong araw, December 17, 2024. Ngayong araw po ay ating tutuloy ang ating series which is about God's generous provision. Specifically, ang topic po natin for today is about God will never leave us alone. Now, ang ating scripture po ay magagaling sa Hebrews chapter 13 verse 5. Sabi po dito, basahin ko po. Keep your lives free from the love of money and be content with what you have, because God has said, never will I leave you nor I forsake you. So ngayon po, ang mas bigyan natin ng kahulugan ng ating topic para sa araw na ito. Ngayon po tayo pwede na ako sa ating teachings. So una po, financial freedom is freedom from the love of money. Ngayon po, in a world where money often dictates our decision, itong teaching na to, it reminds us that ang totoong freedom, it comes when we break free from the love of money. It's not about rejecting wealth, but it is about removing the grip it has on our hearts. Kapag ang ating Panginoon ang ating focus, yung money, it becomes a servant but not a master. So, kalawa, contentment is the secret to true happiness. Pagiging contento po is not passive, it is a choice, spiritual discipline. So when we embrace contentment, recognize natin that God has already provided what we need. So instead of constantly chasing more, instead na magreklamo tayo, we rest in His perfect plan and timing, which leads to a deeper and lasting joy. Ikatlo, God promised to never leave you, not nor forsake you. So this is a divine reassurance. So when financial struggles arise, tandaan po natin yung God's promise. So His faithfulness means you are never alone. Kumbaga, He is your ultimate provider and source of security. So paano po natin ma-apply ang ating mga teachings? Ngayon po tayo ako sa ating application. Una po, free yourself from the love of money. So tayo po ay magdasal sa ating Panginoon to purify our hearts and i-detach ang ating sarili from greed, anxiety, over wealth. So ask Him para tulungan ka on your finance for His glory and not your own gain. Kalawa, embrace contentment and never let it go. So cultivate gratitude through daily reflection or daily prayer. So you thank God for what you have, no matter how small, and tiwala tayo sa kanyang perfect plan and perfect timing. Remember, contentment is worship. It shows faith in God's provision. Ikatlo, live God's provision. Surrender mo yung financial worries mo sa ating Panginoon. So kita ng prayer doon, surrender mo, kausapin mo ang ating Panginoon. So instead of striving for excess, tayo po ay magtiwala sa Kanya. Trust that He will meet your needs, align your lifestyle with His will, knowing that true peace is found when you live within the provision